Park. I'm doing a quick video to give you the update on lot I-18. So this house comes offline September 21st. I think that's in 2 weeks, and 2020. And this is the update on the house. So the concrete foundation is in. I've got the flyers here in front. You can drive by and pick it up. And we've got the form set up for the patio. This is the patio that runs the length of the house, and I'm not sure when that'll be run, but since the house will be arriving after September 21st, it'll all be done before then. Back there you see the foundation for the shed. Again, it's a concrete pad for the bottom of the shed and a 6x6 shed that's coming. So that's taking place there. Here's a look from this side. There's parking right in front of the house. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So you have to look at the flyer. I'll try and put the description of the house in the description of this video. I think they're gonna be fixing when they pour the concrete pad, they're gonna take out this part of the sidewalk and redo it where you see that it's cracked. It's kind of old, so we always try to redo anything concrete-wise when we pour. So this is a beautiful house. Again, I'll put all the colors at the end of this video, so stay tuned at the end and you can hear all about it. This is a land lease house community. This bedroom is 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 784 square feet. It's $98,000, and again, it'll be arriving the week of September 21st. It's very exciting. We've had a lot of people apply and be poised to move in before the house actually arrives. So that's all new. This COVID has created a whole nother mindset, and people are scrambling and moving very quickly. So it all starts with going to our website, myhomeincarteret.com, and filling out the contact form there, and I'll receive that, and then I'll send you the informational email of all the houses we have for sale, and attached to that will be the lease and the application. If you need financing, I'll send you that, and I will also give you the COVID pandemic quarantine instructions for mailing in your applications. It's one per adult, and it's a $40 non-refundable application fee to run the background check. And what am I forgetting? I'll go over the answers to the contact form. There's 15 pre-qualifying questions. I'll go over that with you. Please take a look at our rental policy. If your credit score is under 650, or if you've had a recent bankruptcy, it's all listed there. We try to be very upfront with everybody and honest and authentic. So unfortunately, we end up having to advise people that they don't meet the criteria. So to save yourself some time, take a look at it first before you fill out the contact form or apply. We're happy to help you out, and many times people wait a while to get the 10% down payment or the 20% down payment. That's between you and the finance company. We don't really have anything to do with that. And the finance company is not associated with us. We don't get any money from them. We just offer a reputable company. And the application is separate. That's with us. And the financing application is separate. That's a different company. So email us if you have any questions, info@dolanhomes.com. But it all starts with filling out the contact form at myhomeincarteret.com. So this shows you what the house actually looks like, and we're going to review some pictures. So this is the kitchen. It's really beautiful, and there's 4 Whirlpool stainless steel appliances plus the farm sink. Those are all wood cabinets. They're also duplicated in the bathroom. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, so there's just 1 bath. It's very spacious, and behind the door is a pantry, a linen closet I should say. You can put all your towels in there. So here we still have to finish the bypass glass doors, but that's a one-piece fiberglass unit. And here's the laundry room area where you can install your own washer and dryer. And there's wood cabinets above. So this is the first bedroom. It's vinyl flooring throughout, LED lights throughout, and that has a rather extensive closet, and those are thermal pane windows. This is a drywall home. And here you see construction equipment that we're using as we're still building the house, but the living room fan is already up. Here's the second bedroom. So we are my home in Carteret. We are Carteret Mobile Park. You enter on Blair Avenue, and here's where you turn at the maintenance building. This is our office, which fronts Roosevelt Avenue, and we have conveniently for you flyers and applications, and we have a rental policy you might want to review. And here are the steps. It's a little different now that COVID has hit, so everything is start at the website. We are Dolan Homes. We are the Dolans. We're 4 generations, and we are really proud to be providing the American dream of home ownership at Carteret Mobile Park. In the shadow of New York City, a very expensive place to live. Come join us.